a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is clothes. Question number 1. Are clothes and fashion important to you? Yes, I care about clothes and fashion. I enjoy expressing myself through my clothing choices and consider it an important part of my identity. Question number 2. What clothes do you usually like to wear? I usually dress comfortably in casual clothes such as jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. I prefer to be at ease and be able to move freely. I also like to add some accessories or statement pieces to my outfit to add some style. Question number 3. Have you ever worn a uniform? Yes, I did. When I was in elementary school, I wore a school uniform, and I also wore a uniform when I was a lifeguard. Question number 4. Do you wear different styles of clothes now compared to 10 years ago? Yes, clothing styles have changed dramatically in the last 10 years. People now dress in more relaxed and casual styles than they did 10 years ago, when more formal and dressy attire was more popular. Question number 5. What do you think the clothes we wear say about us? Clothes can be used to express who you are and what you stand for. They can be used to express your personality and style, as well as to demonstrate to others that you are a member of a particular group or culture. Clothes can also be used to communicate to others how you want to be perceived. Question number 6. What kind of clothes do you dislike? I dislike wearing clothing that is too tight or restrictive, too colorful or patterned, or that is not very comfortable. I prefer clothing that is both comfortable and allows me to move freely. Question number 7. Where do you buy most of your clothes? I usually buy my clothes online or my local mall. I prefer to shop online because it is easier to find what I'm looking for. The prices are usually lower and I can compare different styles and brands at my leisure. Shopping at the mall is more convenient for me when I need something quickly or want to try something on before I buy it. Question number 8. Did you have any special clothes to wear when you were a child? I used to have some special clothes when I was a kid. For special occasions such as holidays, parties, and family gatherings, my parents would buy me outfits. I also had some play clothes, such as princess gowns, superhero costumes, and other amusing outfits. Question number 9. Did you like them? Yes, I liked my childhood clothes because they were always colorful and fun. My mother always chose clothes that were both comfortable and age appropriate for me. Question number 10. Are you a brand conscious person? No, I'm not. I usually buy items based on their quality and price rather than their brand. I'd rather save money by purchasing a generic version of something than pay more for a name brand item.